Alright, here is Chili and Freedom. Chili, every time I fix that ear, you flip it right back, you silly boy. Hey, Freedom, what a good girl. Hi. Oh. Okay, Chili, come here, bud. Chili! Come here, Chili boy! Here he comes, there he comes! Fix his ears, Frank. Oh, what a good boy. Hi, Chili. Look. He's a busy puppy.
The puppy's working.
Oh. There's Chili and Freedom playing. Chili. Chili, look. Okay, honey, I hear you. Chili. What are you eating? Come on. Good boy. Oh. All right. Well, we can't wait to see you next weekend. Hopefully you enjoy the pictures of Chili here. And we'll see you soon. Oh. Chili. Chili, look. Say bye-bye, Chili.